G'day, here's a parcel of bigger pieces of mostly fossil material from Lightning Ridge. Some of it's got a bit of clay on it unfortunately, but the clay's opalised so it hasn't tumbled off. I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in, haven't moved the pieces in relation to where the rule was sitting. Mostly blues, greens. Like I say, some of this has got clay material embedded on it, so I'll just turn it around there so you can see what's the end of the parcel. It's all much the same. Okay, as you can see, like these sort of pieces, the clay's quite hard. Bit of opal showing through in a few spots, but clay is almost opalised. You can see the little knobbies cemented in this piece. The opal's just gone through the little tiny cracks. You can see a little seam of opal there on a miniature scale. A bit of crystal there. Bit bigger pieces. What these are exactly I don't know. A few pieces of crystal amongst it, like that piece. There's a piece that was over on the corner there. Break this up into a couple of smaller pieces, smaller parcels. Anyway, I think that's given you an idea. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.